Meanwhile, big federal vaccine funds are coming to Illinois and the city of Chicago to support vaccine equity across the state. Improving access and acceptance was on the mind of Vice President Kamala Harris during her trip to a Chinatown vaccination site this afternoon. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey joins us live with more on the VP's visit. And Megan, the majority of the vaccine funding announced today is earmarked for underserved communities.
Right, Erica, the CDC says 75% of that total funding must be spent on specific programs in communities where vaccination progress has been slow. It was touchdown for Vice President Kamala Harris and then straight to this Chinatown Union Hall vaccination site, where her ad-libbed comments focused on the need for vaccine education.
We're all here to make a statement that we understand the significance of getting vaccinated, that it's bigger than us.
The vice president pleaded with her socially distanced audience to spread the good word about vaccination. Andre Thomas knows the hesitancy well.
What is the number one answer you get?
I think fear of the unknown.
Thomas is a violence prevention specialist with the organization Target Area, who works closely with members in the Englewood community.
8% is really, really low.
8%. He's talking about the percentage of residents in the Englewood zip code 60621 who are fully vaccinated. Now compare that to 60611, a near Northside zip code where 31% of residents are fully vaccinated. All while the COVID-19 death rate in Englewood is more than 5 times higher.
It have to be barriers. It have to be a reason why when you compare that to other populations.
The VP's trip came hand in hand with the announcement from the CDC that Illinois would be awarded more than $90 million to ensure greater vaccine equity. Chicago's getting nearly $34 million. Thomas was glad to hear 3/4 of that money would go to neighborhoods like Englewood, where he and VP Harris believe education is key.
Remind people of their power to do something that will save their lives.
Now, that money awarded today is part of $3 billion in CDC funding awarded to 64 jurisdictions across the country. Erica?
So those dollars, many of them coming to our area, how exactly could some of those funds be used locally?
So one example is to identify and then train trusted members of the community to do door-to-door outreach. Another example, bilingual outreach, Erica, to again help increase vaccine acceptance.
All right, Megan Hickey, thank you.